Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back, guys. Glad to have you. All right. So remember, yesterday, you should have wrote this down in your notes. If you didn't, this is the time to do it. Pause video. Pause video. All right. So whenever you see the statement, find the equivalent expression. Remember, we are going to simplify. We're going to simplify. All right, so let's go over a few things. The model. Wink, wink. JK. All right, so it's not that kind of model, but this kind of model. All right, so let's look at our first prompt. Find the perimeter using the distributive property of the shape below. So look, you see we have this square. Literally, guys, I have the perimeter, which is a rectangle, right? Perimeter, remember, it's just adding all the sides together. So if you see something like this, literally, I'm looking at parentheses, 2 parentheses, 1 plus 2 parentheses. So that means the bottom is going to be the same, which is 2 parentheses, 1 plus 2 parentheses. Got that? Then on the other side is 2, then this side is going to be 2. So just like we've been practicing, we're going to put this all together. All right, so we have 2 parentheses, 1 plus 2 parentheses, plus 2 parentheses, 1 plus 2 parentheses, plus 2 plus 2. All right, you see there are 4 groupings, 4 sides because we're finding the perimeter, which is just adding all the sides around. All right, so now we're just going to do the distributive property with this. Let's do it. So you see, I just wrote the expanded form of all this. Whew. Now let's factor this bad boy. All right, so now I factor it. So now the only step left is just adding it all together. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 2, 14 plus 2, 16. Whew. 16 is our final number. All right, don't forget, you can use your calculators. Please. All right, let's keep going. If you need to take a moment to pause this just to look at it, process it, please do. All right, guys, let's keep it going. Prompt 2. So now you're probably like, what, Miss Ward, is this the same thing? Yes, it is. Just now we're seeing the variable, so we're going to do the same thing that we've been doing. All right, so I'm going to put 2 parentheses, 1 plus x at the bottom, and then I'm just going to go across, which is going to be x. And now I'm putting it all together. All right, guys, so now we see I put it all together. 2 parentheses, 1 plus x parentheses, plus 2 parentheses, 1 plus x parentheses, plus x plus x. Perfect, guys. All right, so now we're going to do the expanded form. Let's do it. All right, so there's my expanded form. 2 times 1 plus 2 times x plus 2 times 1 plus 2 times x plus x plus x. Now let's do this in the factored form. All right, guys, so our factored form, 2 times 1 is 2. Bring down the plus sign. Really want to highlight this. 2 times a variable. It's just the number and the variable become friends. They are partners. They're married together. All right. So remember that. That's how we get the word coefficient. Okay. Because we do not know the number to that variable. So for this one is x, right? So it's 2x. Then we just did it again. plus, we bring that plus signs down. 2 times 1, which is 2. Bring the plus sign down. 2 times x, which is 2x. Bring the plus sign down. X plus x, all right? So now, let's organize this to remember like terms. Anything that has the exact same variable, right? So let's try this. So that would become, all the 2's will get together. So that's 1, 2. I'm going to cross it out. Let's see if I can find another 2. Look, there's another 2. And remember, these are constants. There's no variable to it. Are there any more numbers on their own? No. So now I'm going to look at the variable. So look, there's a 2x. Perfect. So I'm going to put 2x together. Let's see, do I see any more x's? I do. All right, so we're going to do another plus 2x. All right, let's see. Do I see more? Yep, I see 2 more. So I'm going to cross this one out. And I'm going to cross that one out. All right. So now let's solve this. All right, so we already know 2 plus 2 is 4. But let's look at all of this down here. All right, guys, so that now becomes, because we're looking at the coefficients, that number right beside that variable. For this one is x. So 2 plus 2 is 4. We know that when there is no number next to a variable, it's going to be 1. All right, so 4 plus 1 is 6. And don't forget the variable, all right? So that becomes 4 plus 6x. Woo, guys, nice job. Look at our beautiful work. All right, so now it's your turn to try this. Find the perimeter of the shape below. Good luck. You got this.